Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to uh, SBM 211, which is financial management. Sorry, just check in my microphone. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of introduce you to the course and give you a brief, I guess, walkthrough of how you would navigate the course. I think it's pretty intuitive, so most of you won't have any real problems. But so up on the screen, I'm at the course homepage, and just like any other Canvas course, you can navigate with all of these menu items on the left. I'm in teacher view, so it looks a little different. Anything that has an I with a slash through it means you won't see that as a student. Anyway, so you'll really just have announcements, syllabus, modules, grades, people, rubrics, badges, etc. Okay. So anyway, so here's our homepage. And really, the way the course is set up is you're going to navigate to almost all of it through modules. So if you click on the modules, you'll see that the first module is just Canvas overview and resources. If you're new to Canvas, it may be useful to you. If you're not new to Canvas, then you probably won't even look at it. And then a welcome and begin here, which just gives you the basic information, an overview of the course, information about me, the professor. I'm Mike Fox, by the way. Hi. Textbook information, which tells you that this course doesn't have a textbook, so all of the readings and things are provided in the course. And then a Q&A. If there's any time during the course you have a question, you can put that there, and some other general information. And then the course is set up by lessons. And in each lesson, there's usually an overview and to-do list, which kind of tells you what to expect for that chapter. And then under Explore, there may be a video. Sometimes there's just a reading, but there's at least a reading and sometimes a reading and a video or something like that to watch. Sometimes there's some additional study content depending on what we're covering that week. And then finally, the Expand and Evaluate section, which has your assignments for the week. So this first week, for example, has an assignment and two quizzes. One is a quiz over the syllabus, and the other is the quiz over the material for the week. You'll notice these little green check marks after assignments. That's just to make it easy for you to see which items are counted as part of your grade. So even though it's important that you read, and you'll really need to be able to read in order to pass the quiz, for example, reading doesn't, if you don't read and you just go in and do the quiz, that won't harm your grade, other than you may not do as well on the quiz. So these items with the green check marks are the graded items. So that's in essence how it's set up, and it's the same each week as far as this basic structure. Some people have a hard time finding the syllabus. I'm not sure why, because there's a link right here that says syllabus. So if you click on it, it'll take you to the syllabus. Syllabus has my contact information, has my Zoom information if we ever need to meet via Zoom. It has other information about the course, how your grade is broken down, important dates, etc. So tons of stuff in here in the syllabus that may be helpful to you. So you'll need to review that. It also tells you how the different items in the course are weighted. And then at the very, very end of it, scroll down, there is a summary of all the assignments in the course. So that's basically how it's set up. So just one last thing, I guess, is just kind of to tell you why I have this course put together. I work with a lot of small business owners and entrepreneurs, and find that they often have a limited knowledge of basic business finances. And so this course is an attempt to help anybody who's going to be in business for themselves, or who may be managing a business at some point in the future, to better understand basically, okay, this is not a super in-depth course, but to better understand the basics of business finances. And so we'll learn about financial statements, which you probably have learned about in accounting if you've already taken an accounting course. And we'll learn about ratios and just understanding those numbers and what they mean and how they sort of drive decision making within a business. So I think it's pretty interesting. I hope it's interesting to you, and I hope you have a great semester. And as always, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out to me, and I'll do my very best to answer. We'll talk to you later. Have a great semester.